enjoy your life, my sister. On the better, my friend. But me not like
Yeah,
them
man, make
prayer with
Erica no
friend.
sleep last night, man. Here, no sleep for the week. Me sleep, my baby them will relax and sleep.
Tanya, any
Me
girl
don't even
that
get,
grudge you for your
me don't even
life.
get up, me don't even get up for bathroom break.
Tanya, any girl that grudge you for your life, and you have to understand that. You have a good life. You understand? Any girl that grudge you for that life. You understand?
Me hear Robbie. Yeah, listen to what I say.
So you have to just understand
That's
and
why I'm not
enjoy the
argue with
hospitality
them.
of your good
Why
life.
you me say I'm not
Any
argue
girl
with
that
them?
grudge you for that life.
Me I make them cuss and say what them want to say. Cause nothing what it must say no go about me.
Replace me a park
Yeah,
yourself for running.
listen. You
Me I
give me
carry
now
a nice
listen.
bread food, go give me a nice clean friend. You understand? Yeah, any girl that grudge you for your life, you have to just relax and enjoy the hospitality of your good life. You have a nice husband, love you, love your children, them, and him be with you, no care the
Yes,
bagger.
Michaela.
And let me tell you something, Tanya, you're very beautiful. I'm not saying
Thank
that
you,
only
Auntie.
because we are friends. I say where Tuffy is concerned, Tanya, may I beg you, please, do not call Tuffy name. Tuffy know what time it is for her in a spoil. Like, they tell me, from down there, Tuffy is a time bomb, do not call Tuffy name. So when you come in here, them go pull you over and kill you and charge you in the airport. Tuffy know what time it is. Me now look for Tuffy. The people then beg me do. Because, Tanya, you don't know Tuffy, I mean, why you end up at jail or prison for Tuffy. Don't call her name, Mr. Guan. They should call yours. May I come there, may I run over here, so I'm not going to
I'll be a lady, Mattel. Just embrace your and love. This is a special trip, Tanya. They welcome you, enjoy. Yeah, Blackberry, them welcome, man. I get my breakfast in bed. But why don't you have boring door? Don't you have boring broad? Don't when you come from town nice. Jesus. I couldn't take country life, man. I like quiet and boring. Quiet and boring. Yes. Good morning. You have the best. The rain I fall. Yeah, the rain I fall from last night. The rain I fall from last night, and the sleep with the two door, them open the back and the front door. And I get the natural the breathe air, fresh air. I don't want to talk about she. Make she stay. She alright. I work, she work. I make it about she. Now look at she don't know me. I
yes,
can't buy
Lord.
anything you want to eat. I can't hungry.
Yeah, me tell you, Tanya, me know why you call Tuffy name. Tuffy is a
Talk
time
to
my brother spoilers.
special.
Yeah, me I tell you.
They
Oh,
make them vex, make Puss vex, because she strong and chat at a thing. But my in-law, them around me, pancake. You
hello,
be a blood clot.
Tanya.
Hey,
Don't worry
well,
about that. This is what me I say, come is a fair
thank you,
person.
Bennett.
You understand? Them draw back chin in the war. Because chin gone to bed with her man at night time. Me hear chin I rub you this morning. Only thing me I say, chin, me tell you, stop make them bring you out in this. You understand? Stop make them bring you
Everybody
out
knows
in
me
this.
never cuss. She know me. I
I know you never did a cussar. You understand?
Me say
And then
leave
go
her
tell
and
her,
the
say,
kids
yeah,
them.
cussar. You understand?
Yeah.
And chin come back out. Tanya, listen what me I tell you. The
Now look
warrior,
on
somebody after dead. You hear me I tell you? The warrior is a
up.
bloodshed war. The devil needs somebody. And
Yep.
honestly, me no, I know me go get you know.
Me
Me not
worse.
ask if for me or me. Me, I know say, me would I be the one where I go behind the bars, come I tell you, say, Erica, me nah run no threat from you. But only thing me I tell you, Erica, me I live in America, I hold up my right hand and I swear. I swear and I swear, me I
She
live in
not
America.
no
Me did
sense,
not baga
man.
baga with you. I done the baga baga with you, Erica. Yeah? Come out, yeah? Don't understand that. You understand? My husband alone to my pussy right now. Erica, my husband alone to my pussy right now. And let me tell you something, Erica, no care on the talk, no care count for one blood clot and how much blood clot man done fucking a fine. Me have good as in a blood clot, America. Me good, me good, me good, me good, me
That
pussy good,
berry.
every part of me good,
Our
Erica.
blood puss white,
Erica, you don't know nothing about me in America. Everything that way you find it. Erica, me know a lot about you in America.
Mine.
I
Puss are the ringleader, all of this.
Erica is the ringleader. What the fuck do you? Erica is the ringleader because it's Erica start this. I'm going like say can't done. Every time she come out, it get larger. Every time she come out, she recruit people. Erica, as I hold up my hand, I swear under the Almighty God. You understand? I'm not arguing with you, Erica. I swear rain a fall in America this morning, Erica. Me and you live here. I'm not supposed to go down them IG thing there with you, Erica. Because one day, the all girl, yeah, all pussy where you call me, all kind of name where you call me, me I go see you, Erica. Me I tell you, Erica, that's a trip to prison.
Shower with me for own her, we're not own her. She not getting owned.
Tanya, I said I'm not arguing with her and I'm not calling her name. Me no know Puss, and Puss would never let me see her. So guess what happened? That's why it stopped with me and Erica. You hear your girl tell you, say, when you hear Dana answer, different she clicking. Erica, I swear on my 3 children and my 3 grandchildren, Erica, it's okay. Go on, do your thing, Erica. After today, if you hear me answer you, you say, oh, damn, so lie. Just say, oh, damn, so lie. Everybody just type, liar. Erica is all right.
All of this, yeah. Erica just, for me get my book, my British book, Erica get Badmind.
The girl just come up with this Badmind, grudgeful hatred against you. If she come find you, Tanya, remember, I never know you. And she tell me you're a nice girl. She tell me you're a nice girl. You're a nice person. Oh, all of them nice that you tell me something talk to Tanya. Come and tell me never want to see nobody. Me no want hear nobody. Me no want know nobody on internet. Erica, remember me down. Tell you them there, you know. Tanya is lying. Me I tell you deep on it, you know, when I tell her, you know. Me never care who you is when Erica tell me how nice you is, you know. Me never care who you is at that time, Tanya. Me tell her, Erica, me no want to be in a this. Me no care about Puss, me no care about our sister-in-law, me no care about you. Tanya, though you was on the line when I was telling you how much I don't care about everything. Okay.
We were prepared for it, yeah? The book of my them.
Understand? Me no in a it with Erica. Erica, you're wicked. You're a serpent. Me hear you wish that pan baby. Me hear you wish that pan Erica is a wicked person. I'm not gonna go with you in them kind of things there. You understand? And while we threat them and Chin, it's need to be done. You understand? Chin is a girl that have our 6 children to take care of. Threat them and ask to right for disrespect your husband and your children, you know. I'm not talking one-sided. I'm saying it needs to be done. Threat them use a driver. You know where me I don't know where you live. Make me and you deal with Erica. Make me and Yasha and Stone deal with Erica. Leave Chin alone.
But that may I tell them last night.
Leave Chin alone, Erica. If you call you Fred them and say, ooh la la la. You understand? We deal with ooh la la la. We have rights in our hand where Erica is concerned. Don't make we lose it, Fred them. Never call Tanya mother upon the satellite. We are Jamaica. Never call Tanya England. I have my rights in my hand where Erica is concerned. I'm not let it go. Me not put it down. So I'm not going to Erica. I have my rights in my hand.
Erica, run back to Puss from
me down have my rights in my hand with Erica. Don't go away, me lose my rights unless Tanya is a liar and Tanya mother is a liar. I tell Erica I don't want to be a part of Puss. Tanya, you go, Erica, leave me alone. Me there, my work. One time here, Tanya said to Erica, say, we are called Auntie Dan. Leave Dan alone to their work. While if Chin, I said, the uncle way, I lose my right in my hand. Unless Chin not talk the truth, Tanya not talk the truth. You understand? I mean, don't think Chin is so wicked and lie compared to me and Erica. Because I mean, tell her I don't want to be a part of this. Leave me alone, Erica. So you mix me up and then I disgrace me and my family. Erica, so you mix me up in an IG war and then turn on. And this is for my husband and me and my family, Erica.
I never know that Erica was sad at night and there with woman. A woman.
Thinking man, you're behind me, man. Let him sit in a park.
Erica was a top sodomite. Kali, I know you like to spread out and go places, but you cannot go outside, Mama. It's
Let's see if
raining.
I sit down here, so. You understand? May I tell you now, Erica. May I tell you now, Erica, me not take this so, you know. Me swear upon my children, them life, you know. Oh, me not take this from you, Erica. Oh, me not take this from you, know. So you call me and mix me up on IG, Erica. Okay. And then you tell people from prison, Erica. Erica, me not take this, you know. All if me I go away for a while and
yes,
leave my husband. Erica, I'm not, let me turn off this, make somebody make hear it, you know. Erica, I'm not take this from you, you know.
And the kids then.
Okay.
So she not stop. You understand?
Only thing me I beg you another wire, Chin, leave Tanya alone. You understand? Because you know how it starts, Chin. I'm going to ask, fret them, just make Chin go and tell our life and our children them. You understand? You don't have to pay Chin no mind. Chin, me I talk to Chin already talked to you already, and I'm going to talk to fret them today. Yeah, when me done by me look a piece of steak and some juice, because we have things already in the fridge. We just need piece of steak. Can we eat everything already?
Why
them
so
two look
active?
all man that does walk like them, not see their life.
Mama, baby, them not stay like you. Kali, you cannot go outside. Just
none of your children, them is dark skin. I want to know, Erica, how you just mix me up in this blood clot, yeah. And every minute you come disrespect me and my husband and my children, them, Erica. Erica, really, Erica? Erica, I'm going to show you, man. God is not dead, he was alive. I'm going to show you, Erica. Erica, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to deal with you some no-nonsense style when you're buck up. No nonsense. I'm not going to cuss you no more. Or your this or your that can just happen. You understand? You're a loser. When you start first, baby, you're a loser. You're a loser, Erica. When you start disrespect young baby, when you start put up baby with all them kind of infinity words and pictures, you're a loser, Erica. You never win. You cannot win. You understand? That's all.
No special and Badmind.
When you start put up baby and kids, Erica, you understand? You're a loser. You're a loser. And it's not Puss doing it. It's you.
As she come back with the picnic thing and start post kids.
Nobody now move from you, so man.
I reactivate dirty page. Erica, she do it. She.
Me I go show you, Erica. Me I go show you. Me Dan I go show you. Me I go show you. I'm have to show you. Cause it don't right.
Show 1916
it's not right.
picture.
It's not right. I'm never show you. Somebody have to be a teacher, Erica. I'm not argue with you. I'm not use them kind of infinity words out of my mouth. No more with you where you're concerned. You're a loser.
May I come and fill in the police station, come report her. May I come over there, come report her. And I show them all the life them what she do. What she show me kids them. Erica, remember me can't travel, you know. Remember me can't travel, Erica.
I know what I am doing, you know.
There.
Me, Dan, when me go do. You understand? This is too much. It needs to be
coming
stopped.
over there to report you, Erica. Trust me.
You don't have to come over here to report her. Wait until I catch her or friend catch her. Then you come over here.
Pick up yourself, Powell.
And you make them know that you come all the way from the UK. Go down a little bit more now.
No, me I come and feel it here.
Sister, go down a little bit more, please.
Oh my God, the rain finally done. Jesus.
You have to stop these things, Erica. It don't look good. You have to stop it. It don't look good. You're a mother, Erica. You have to stop these fucking things. It don't look fucking good. You understand? You have to stop this. And all that who cheer you on with this fucking thing, it don't look fucking good.
Hey.
Anybody who will cheer you on for stop it and show you. Yes. Say enough is enough.
She show the kids them and say, pardon this and sexually. Erica, watch me here. I'm going to pray for you. Watch me here. Erica, if you don't think you can travel. You figure say, yeah, show minor kids and I talk sexually about them. Watch me, Erica. Erica, as me reach America, as me reach a UK, so me I fly come America for you. Trust me. Trust me. Me I come America for you. I'm gonna find your workplace, Erica. I'm gonna show them the life them where you are. Erica, watch me, you. Erica, I better say me cool, you. I better say me go find your workplace to spy your work. Watch me, you. Watch me, Erica. Don't worry yourself. Of course, I'm gonna lock her up. Hi, Susie. What's up? That internet job. I deal with her. Remember, say me can't travel in Erica. You forgot? Remember, say me can't travel. I may have all the lives they may do. I have all of them. All of them, Erica. Every single one. Every single one. Erica Sanders. I have all of them. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to teach you a lesson. I'm going to make an example out of you. I can report you in your town. I'm going to sort you out. And you talk about that, I'm going to lose our job? All of them something the way I do when I show children. You're going to lose your job. Because I'm going to find out where you work. And I'm going to send them to your job. You're a pedophile. You're a child molester. You're a nasty, sick, vile person. I think I'm going to load on my stand. I'm not argue with you. You don't have no sense. Chin, you don't have no sense, Chin. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you, Chin. You're idiot. I'm not arguing with you. Those dead that over there out there purchase all make up because the Chin can buy a premium brand. All that money can pay on her house to leave her for her children. Exactly. Exactly. Susie, I don't know right now coming, you know. Sometimes I don't feel full now. You know right now coming. I say make the rain don't know, please. I make the rain fall because I want the kids them go. I want the kids them go and go play. I don't know why. Susie, I don't know why. I said I able to join. It's true that I report my page. But you can't take it down. Erica, I'm not going to load down my standard like you and cuss and cuss. Kemar, I'm on the live, Kemar. So when it ease down and everything, you can go on outside, go play, man. Jesus. Tanya, did you get the video of China threatening you? Yes, Nikki, I get the video of China threatening me. She make a call. She don't have no link. I laugh off a Chin. Poor Chin. Poor Chin. She don't have no link. Remember me and Chin was friends. She don't have no link. Where you think Chin did have to go get cheese for kill Puss? Chin have no link. Pay like Chin I tell. Careful of Chin. But guess what? Me not take it lightly, you know. Me I keep it. They will find out from IG what IP address on it and they chase one matter if they are imprisonment. Real talk, poor Chin. That me I say, blessing. Remember say me and Chin was Me and Chin. Susie, me don't know how I go off. Nah, wait name. Remember say me and Chin used to talk. Oh, you come on. Come here, say I want to eat.
Hello?
Yes, Susie.
Tanya,
Yeah.
let me tell you something. You
Mm.
say this thing I'll get rotty and nasty, you know. Come in a pray for go up and go draw my blood clot money. I want some info from Tuffy. Tuffy over there tell be a liar pan Dan. When Tuffy come over here, Dan, for run her.
Yeah, but me tell Dan say.
Dan, for stop friend Tuffy, yo, she for go, man. You understand? If Dan don't want to deal with that, me will deal with that. Just give me a blood clot info, man. Yo, you see a girl there? I'm going to make them page her nasty blood clot, you know. I'm not afraid to make that happen, you know, for me. I have enough people at town, you know. Enough people me have at town, you know. Me have my blood clot son, my cousin, my family, whole of my family out there.
Tough there everywhere at town I walk and I beg.
I just want to hear some info, you know, because last night me straight me just send some man, you know, and send her blood clot info, you know. A girl, you know, stop calling me name. Me I got damage the blood clot Tuffy. I want you to stop calling up my name. Me don't know if true she and Dan a virgin or whatever.
Shandan and a virgin.
She this Dan undercover over
listen, yeah, me know. Listen, Toughy informer, right? Can't say too much on the phone.
Yeah, me understand.
Toughy work with police. Them
When
soon
me
find
work with
Toughy
them
somewhere.
Police
them soon find out
Mama,
somewhere.
Tuffy can't work with police for Tuffy brought no blood clot. Me work with them too for me have my money. Me have my money.
What's going on? Why?
Money talk and bullshit.
Stop it, Talia. Stop it. Stop it.
Me want a big stinking, ugly, dirty stone, dirty stinking skirmish girl. Can't stop calling me name. My girl, you don't in my class.
Watch the rain start back again.
You understand what me I say? Keep my name out
problem
of
with them people with the rain. Oh my God.
That me I make you know.
Country I be a rain. All the backland be the same.
You there, sir. You there, sir. Run up. You call everybody
back.
name. We're better than you are in a class. Today
exactly.
Sunday where you cook. Where you cook Tuffy, me I cook rice and peas and blood clot steak in my oven. Some of my pitney them there work. I'm a young baby lying down, cock up in a bed, red, clean, ear comb. My girl go find a life, no man.
Exactly.
You know, see everybody over here, so I live good. You know, I'm a Tanya pitney over there. You know, see, you know, low life. Every day, you know, get up, you know, put pitney in a war. You know, go downfall.
Especially the one named Erica. Especially the one named Erica. Tell her go beach have one pitney. I remember. I look, I put more on him. But something bad is going to happen to that little boy. Remember me
for sure, you know, I'm not showing again. I'm not blood clash showing again. A Bank of America me talk to. And Bank of Atlanta. So when you come out from my name, Drunk Crow. Most of you don't have nothing going on for yourself.
Exactly.
You have low life. You don't have nowhere to go. When you know Papa and Mama dead, you don't have nobody to bury but the government. And go pick up donation. When you come out from my name, my Mama dead and she very good. When you come out from my name.
That is so cool.
And you tough well if you're picking up on blood clad and card. And have one Badmind where your baby father fuck. We are hide from blood clad gunman and police. A so good girl, done out old girl.
That's why when I want so much bullshit.
Stop calling me name. You know no life. Let me rain today Sunday. Let me get some blessing on Sunday. For you know no life. You know no where I go about hell when you're dead. I cock up in my baby father bed. I cook rice and peas and eat all three. Come on for me name. Come on for me name. You and big dirty black post the whole of Uno and the others. Uno go.
Me not hungry, me penny them not hungry, my money in my bank. The truck when me drive $11,000. Wanna look up, wanna look it up, online or Google it. Wanna low life, don't stop talking for me
Susie,
already.
me soon come back.
Yeah, mama.
Me get an important car. Me have to come off alive right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
baby?
mama, go and go get it because you're important, no blood clot.
Yeah, all right, people.